I think it took me about 6 attempts to film this video because I just can't seem to speak English today. Hi everyone and welcome back to Linda Libra Loca. Chances are that if you're watching this video, you are obsessed with skincare, and there's absolutely no harm in that. Welcome, I embrace you, this is your community here. But when you are going to travel, that could kind of be a problem, because if you're used to have about 50 different things to choose from for your routine, you just can't bring everything on your travels. And as I recently did a camper van trip to Norway and Sweden, which left me with very limited space for my skincare routine, I have a few tips coming up to help you streamline for your next holiday. The first thing, and actually the basis for all your further decisions, is which kind of holiday are you going on to, and what will be the main challenges your skin will face? Because if you're going to a spa holiday in a hotel, it will be completely different to when you're, like we did, going up to the Arctic Circle and be outside in the sun, in the wind, by about 12 degrees for a long period of time every day. So take the time, sit down and write down the 3 main challenges you and your skin type will most likely experience based on your holiday destination. For me, that was soothing, because I knew being outside a lot in the sun with the wind constantly going in, out, having the kids touch my face, my skin would get irritated. Then protection, because again I was exposed to the elements, and that did not only mean SPF but things to repair my skin's barrier. And the third and kind of an ongoing topic for me is oil control, because I just have oily skin. It is summer and I just won't have the time to touch up and powder my T-zone all the time. The second tip I have is choose your actives wisely. You can't bring everything, and chances are that if you're traveling, your skin will have a tendency to act up. For me, based on the concerns that I told you before, I brought salicylic acid. I brought the one from The Ordinary because I have a tendency to get breakouts, and with being outside and on the road again, I figured that my skin might be dirty and might need a little help with exfoliation. And I brought a very, very gentle retinol. This is the Dr. Dennis Gloss Ferulic Acid Retinol Brightening Solution. I have used it many, many times, and it is very gentle. I can use it every day without any means of irritation. My third tip would be pack multi-purpose products, like the Ordinary Salicylic Acid that I showed you earlier. This is an all-over exfoliant for about once a week, twice a week, depending on your skin, but it is also an excellent spot treatment. Or this one, the Pure Jojoba by MV Organic Skincare. This is marketed as an eye makeup remover. It can be removed as a first cleanse, oil cleanser, but it's actually quite a good face oil, especially if your skin is like mine, slightly oily. And third one, and one that I would never travel without, a microfiber cloth. This is not one of the makeup erasers, as you can see, because it's blue and not pink. This is one of those that you get in bulk at Lidl or Aldi, and they are cheap as chips, but really effective, and they supercharge any cleanser that I have with me, and they give me a kind of physical exfoliation that I can manage. I can just pat everything dry and make sure that I remove my cleansers properly, or I can go in and get a little scrub if I feel like I need an extra exfoliation without having to pack a physical scrub. My next tip is only bring things that you have a lot of experience with. This is not the time for experiments, trust me. If you have a mini size of something that you know you love, that's fine. If you have the possibility to decant stuff that is otherwise in bulky packaging, okay, go for it. Don't think that this is the best opportunity to go through your sample stash, because most likely things will work as you expect them to, and then you're stuck without your trusted ingredients and a huge flare-up on your skin. Not fun. Oh, and in terms of packaging and flare-ups, I have something that where is it? There you go. This is my Zelens Power D treatment drops. I love them. They are the best if my skin reacts to anything, but I would never ever bring them with me on traveling. Look at that. This is a glass bottle, and it's the most expensive glass bottle that I own, so if I brought that, I would inevitably drop it and would be devastated. So be mindful of the packaging, even if it's an amazing product. And my last and kind of controversial tip is leave your face mask at home. Really, chances are you won't have the time to face mask anyway. If you're in a spa holiday, you'll get a treatment anyway, so you don't need your own. And things that you use just once a week will just take up too much space. If you really want to treat your skin, again, go for multi-purpose products. I personally love the Sunday Riley Good Jeans Cleanser, which could be applied all over and left as a purifying face mask or used as a cleanser, or if your skin is more dehydrated or dry, the May Lindstrom Skin Honey Mud would be an amazing choice because it is a cleanser, can be used as a cleanser, and it can be used as a really hydrating, purifying and soothing face mask. I wonder why I didn't bring that one. That would have been a great choice, and it's mini and it smells so delicious. So this sums up my tips for packing your travel skincare. Leave me anything you would add in the comments below. I'm always looking for ways to improve for the next holiday coming up. Make sure to like for more content, subscribe if you aren't already, ring the notification bell. I think my outro gets longer and longer, and yeah, I'm going to see you all very soon with another video. Bye!